Back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance as well as interview tips. I solve different doubts uh, of yours. So if you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe. In today's video, I will discuss about two job notification which has come from Yes Bank. Another one is comes from Siemens. So you will get a good opportunity here. So for the first job notification, it is relevant for the MBA graduates, and for the second job notification, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, and MCA candidates are eligible. So all these graduates, which I have already mentioned, can continue with me. Otherwise, you can leave this video. So let's start. So Yes Bank has their headquarters in Mumbai. As of you know, it's a very good private bank of India, and they are offering very high salary to every candidates who are joining there. Job profile name is relationship manager, and it is completely for the MBA graduates. Working location will be Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Your job description mainly you have to acquire and deepen the accounts of trust associations and societies. You have to depend the existing portfolio, meeting targets, customer relationship management, conduct marketing events, gathering market intelligence and tracking competition based practices, ensure full awareness of all the policies in relation to product or KYC or AML policy. Now the qualification education, they are asking graduate or postgraduate or MBA from a recognized university premium business schools. So those candidates can apply. You have to click on apply link, and you can go through the notification once again. Here it is clearly mentioned that graduate or postgraduate or MBA from recognized university. So I will suggest those candidates who have done their graduation, if you have an experience, you can apply. If you are planning for doing MBA, now you want to join this type of banks firms, or if you have the knowledge about these banking things like KYC, AML policy, as well as the customer management. So the BBA candidates, the business management candidates, graduates can also apply, and other than those, MBA graduates and postgraduate candidates can apply. So it's a day shift job, and working location as of now is Chennai, full time job, and department will be your branch banking. If you're really interested, you can click on apply now. Then registration form will be open to you. You can log in to start your application. If you already have an account, then you have to go through the login process. Otherwise, you don't have an account, just click on sign up. You have to accept the terms and condition with your first name, last name, email address, and password. You can sign up. Otherwise, you can also sign up using your Google account also. So these are the main application process. So I have mentioned this job notification is for the BBA and MBA graduates, and also postgraduate candidates can apply in the management or analytics. Those who have interest in finance and those who have knowledge in customer banking relationships as well as KYC AML policies, those can apply. So now moving forward to the next job notification which has come from Siemens. So Siemens is very good company, German multinational company, headquartered in Munich, and the job profile they are hiring is software engineer. Experience required is freshers. Your working location will be Bangalore. Degree required is BE, BTech, ME, MTech or equivalent. And the job description is mentioned here. So your responsibility will be you will test development framework on a complex motion control application in Linux or Windows. Technical discussion with project stakeholders, discussing requirement, design implementation, teamwork in agile learn environment. So basically, qualification is BE, BTech, ME, MTech or equivalent. Experience is 0 years experience required. So it is a off-campus graduate drive. So mainly the skills they are asking, C# skill must be you have, SDTC, that is the software development test cycle knowledge. All of you have knowledge about it because in 7th semester of BE, BTech or ME, MTech, uh, if you choose software engineering as your paper, then obviously this software development test cycle will be a key thing in that subject. So otherwise, if you don't have that subject, just prepare for this knowledge. Okay, proficient in OOPS, that is object oriented programming skills, proficient in C sharp. Soft skills must be you have good communication, self reliant and team player, analytic thinker, and innovative ideas you can share. So if you're really interested, you can click on the apply link. Then career website will be open to you. So you can once again check the notification. It's also full-time job, and you can just click on apply link of software engineer. Then the registration form will be open to you. So here also same thing. You can log in. Otherwise you can register by agreeing the privacy policy with your email address, last name and language selection. Then after logging in, you will be able to apply. So both the job notification containing the same registration process, I think it's really helpful for you guys. And if you think you can try to apply because there are no application fees required, then you can apply. I will share those links in my description box. And thanks for watching this video. Hope this is helpful. Please share this news with your friends so that they also being placed in these companies. So please hit the subscribe button and like button because it gives us motivation. Thank you. We will meet in next video with new job updates.